Good morning. I am working in the museum today. Today's Friday, so I have Friday. No, today's not Friday. Today's Saturday. So I work Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So I'm gonna probably work on finishing these chairs. I think, no, I need to look at one more and then look around all the other pieces all the way around, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so I'm going to probably do that this afternoon because, I don't want to do it all at once because, I have nothing else to do. Well, I've already cleaned this morning, so already cleaned the glass on the chest, this display here. Already cleaned the bathrooms. I swept and mopped the other day. I usually sweep and mop on Monday before I leave. So, in this video, I am gonna show you, if I could take something home, what would it be? No. That's pretty cool, but no, I don't want that. But I do want to show you, if I could take something home, if y'all saw my last video with that name, I wanted to take an old cash register. Well, let me show you what I would like to take home with me. Yeah, there is an old cast iron stove. Well, I'd like all the cast iron that's on top of it too. Yeah, this is a Wagner. I think if y'all seen that. Oh, well, no. I think that was a members video. But a Wagner waffle iron. And this is a no name. But this one is a Griswold. Yeah. And that, I don't know what this is, but it's broken. But anyway, isn't this gorgeous? The stove. A Fairy, what is that? Fairy Crawford? Yeah. Fairy Crawford. Look at this. Enamel. I don't know, medallion. It's like ceramic medallion, I guess. She was a Crawford. Anyway. Can you see in there? Isn't that cool? I'm not really sure how old this is. I should look it up. But that is pretty cool. Let's look in. Ooh. Very cool, very cool. And this, I don't really know if that goes. Anyway, I think wood burning stoves and cook stoves like that are so cool. Yeah, let's put this back over here. I'm making a lot of noise. There's a log. Putting a log on the fire. Anyway, it is a beautiful A beautiful piece, isn't it? Yeah. I'd take that in a heartbeat. I don't have any room for it, but yeah, I'd take it. Bunch of neat stuff in this museum that I would take. And I need to do some more videos because I'm not going to get them all done before I leave if I don't start recording them. All right. So this is our newest addition to the museum. It is a cream separator. Yeah. It's kind of big. It's going to live right there for now. Isn't that cool? McCormick something. Deering, D-E-E-R-I-N-G. McCormick Deering. We might get some rain. Wind's starting to pick up. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining pretty good now. Ooh, that would be hail now. It's hailing. It's small, but still, it's hailing. You okay? Are you scared? Are you scared? It's okay. It's okay. Alright, I'm finally getting my black-eyed peas and cornbread. That's what's for dinner tonight. And it's been raining. It's kind of chilly. It's been raining, wet. Yeah, so needed something warm like this. This is good.